DCP Player free. Get it now from digital.net.au. Hi, this is James Garden, the CineTechGeek, and I'm at USL today, and I'm here with Seth Jesse to tell us about, as usual, new tools and new things that USL has got for the show. So Seth, please take us away and tell us what USL's got this year.
So here at our CinemaCon booth this year, we're showing our new server solution for Series 2 projectors. It's a complete solution that goes in a media block slot and a Series 2 projector. We have our solid state drives, our storage on our server board running our IMB, and we do 4K 3D60 on this board, 4K and 3D60 on this board. We have USB and eSATA ingest ports. We do network connections for a data network and a control network, and we have the option of either doing standard Ethernet or optical Ethernet. We also have external inputs for HDMI, 2 of those, and HD-SDI, as well as Link for large screen doing multi-projector setups. The server is run by our SMS control software. We have a multi-platform design. It is installed by Adobe Air and will run on Linux, Mac, or Windows machines. And we have an Android version which can be run on Android tablets. The server itself serves the file that installs this software, so you can run it and install it once your server is up and running in your auditorium. We also are including with our CMS server the ability to render audio from the MDA spec into any auditorium setup that's 14 channels or less. You can use just the server to play that back with a standard AES playback processor. So what we have is when our server sees an MDA piece of content, what it does is on the ingest process, it renders that based on the auditorium configuration and does an immersive audio setup of that file for playback. AES channels 1 through 8 and 9 through 16 will then drive the 13.1 channel setup that we have shown here, and any configuration, once the server knows about it, the MDA content will play out. To use that, we're using our standard JSD100 processor in 16 channel mode, and it is providing audio to all those channels with no other external boxes. That's
okay, so what we've got here is that you've pretty much got an MDA solution that you can buy today?
Yes. So the server is available now with MDA content rendering on it, and it's part of our standard server package.
And what about if you want to go over 16 speakers? How do you deal with that?
Over 16 speakers, we don't have a solution for yet. Right now, we're limited on the number of AES outputs. We're working on other solutions for that.
Okay, cool.
Oh. Simple as setting your VBAP config file, which is your room configuration, and enabling render of MDA audio. If a package contains MDA audio, it will do the rendering upon ingest, like Seth had mentioned. It's as simple as that.
Well, that's very impressive considering MDA was only just talked about last year, and we've already got an implementation that's actually you can purchase, but not that I know anyone who can make them yet, but that's very impressive, and it's good to see some other products like this come. Now, just on the media block, you've got SSDs on there. What's the size of storage that you can get into your media block?
Right now, we're showing one with 4 512 megabyte or gigabyte drives, and this creates a 1.4 terabyte array. We also are selling a version with 3 1 terabyte solid state drives, and that creates a 1.7 terabyte array. Okay.
So you're limited to 1.7 terabytes on your...
We can go beyond that to 2.6 terabytes by adding a 4th 1 terabyte drive. We don't have that one ready quite yet, but it's coming down the line.
Okay, cool.
That'll be provided as an option.
Okay, because that's important because with HFR and other bits and pieces and the 500 kilobit bit rate, that storage will disappear quite quickly. So it's a concern with that product. But anyway,
on our servers, we also have the ability to ingest over FTP from any NAS server that's FTP on the network. We'll go out and create an ingest directory of what's being served from that server. Part of our server software is a short monitoring solution. So you can see all the auditoriums in your network directly from one piece of software, and you can create a storage list of servers over here. In multiple views, we're trying to make it very user-friendly and easy to understand.
What's the current status on your compatibility with TMSs and all that? You know, are you supported by all the common TMSs yet, or
we're not supported by any of the TMSs yet, but we are working on compatibility with them now.
Okay. So you expect that in the next year?
More than likely, very quickly, we'll have integration with the GDC TMS. First off, we're also working with Arts Alliance and CineDynamo.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you for showing that to us. It's Seth and Bill. Actually, this is Bill over here.
This is Bill Cribbs.
Bill Cribbs. And thank you to USL, and say hello to Jack and everyone. So thank you very much. This is James Gardner at CinemaCon 2014. Bye for now.